Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Maker, which it's not covered that much, I believe, on YouTube, but I did want to make an update on that. I follow it quite extensively. I've been looking for some trades as well on Maker, and right now the market structure actually looks quite interesting, since it looks like some sort of a reversal is going on. So that's interesting. We'll talk about that. We'll talk about the opportunities that lay in there. And just in general, my thoughts on where we're going right here. All right, so that's what we'll do. We'll focus mainly on the technicals, I think. I mean, the fundamentals, I do think that this whole move for Maker is a little bit shady, to be honest, but doesn't matter. I mean, at some point of time, the technicals will tell us that, all right? So we won't focus too much on that, but I'll tell you everything I think you need to know on Maker. Before we get into that, though, I do want to mention that I have my own premium trading group as well, in which I share my own trades, and you gain access to my training guides, among other perks. So if you're interested in that, consider joining via the links down in the description or in the pinned comment. But for now, onto Maker, all right? So what we're seeing right now, first of all, I mean, the volume is pretty low, which is significant, I would say. Like, it's pretty low compared to last week. It's significant, but it doesn't matter that much. What matters more is what we're seeing on the chart, and that is that the EMAs are flipping. All right, so you can see that the EMAs are now turning into resistance. Now, that has never with Maker happened before. We had brief periods of time where we consolidated, like for example right here, but overall the EMAs have never flipped before, and obviously we have been in an uptrend, but that is significant, I think. Like, this could actually be the change of the trend right here. I'm not saying it's over and done yet, but I do think that this is an indication. So what will happen is that right now, also with the bearish momentum that Bitcoin is experiencing and will probably experience over the course of the day, what Maker is going to do, I think, is drop down towards this support level right here, around 1175. And at 1175, what I expect from there is that we'll actually find support. But what we need to do from there is find support and break above 1240. So really break above that, really close above that with the hour 4 candle. If that's possible, all right, then we're still bullish and we can get back up to 1330. But you may already hear it from my tone, but I don't expect that we'll be able to do that, especially not with that bearish pressure from Bitcoin. Like, if Bitcoin actually gets a bit of support here and actually recovers a bit, then something is possible for Maker. But I genuinely do think, and I've been saying this for some times, I mean, I did say when we were bullish like this that there was a possibility of going on to 1500. But I've always said, like for the longest time, that historically, and we also talked about that in the Signal chat room quite a bit, that 1360 is a major resistance level, right? 1500 is as well, but 1360 was also the main break retest resistance after the whole Terra Luna crash. And we hit that level, and right now we are actually getting some confirmation that it's a reversal, all right? So what I think most likely is, even though it's fully possible to still be bullish from 1180 and 1175, I think it's more likely that we'll drop down there, find support, but only to take a break retest off of like 1200, around a 100 EMA, and to drop down at least towards this level right here between 1100 and 1120, which is a major support level. So from there, a lot is possible again. And we'll talk about that later. I'll keep you updated on that. But yeah, that's what I expect for now. That's what I think the most likely scenario is. It's not the only scenario. It is possible to become bullish, but yeah, like I said, it's not what I expect. But that's my take on Maker. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.